Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with Nickolas, and Nickolas is an identical twin of Romello that we've been working with before in previous videos. And Romello's mom asked me to work on balance activities. Just a reminder, Romello, why don't you turn around to everybody, because I want to see your handsome face. Was born at 33 weeks. He was born at 3 pounds, 14 ounces. He had heart problems, his status post-ventricular septal defect repair. He also has pulmonary insufficiency and stenosis. Balance is really tricky for him. I have him standing on a pillow, which makes balance even harder, but I really like it because the wobbly surface underneath makes him really work his ankle strategies to help keep his balance. So I'm going to help hold the back of your shirt. Give me 10. Foot up high in the back for me. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you got it. Up high in the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You could really see that foot moving. All right, other foot for me. That was amazing. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Phenomenal! If this was easy, then I could stack up pillows, and the higher the stack of pillows gets, the harder it becomes. But one pillow is plenty hard. This is an easy activity with a pillow you probably have in your home that you can do. I had him take off his shoes just because it's a pillow, but in any case, it's an easy activity, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. I hope it's helpful. Bye-bye.
If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.